Now guys, sometimes you've taken a picture and you want to straighten it. For example, this picture here, you want to straighten it. Maybe you want to, I'll just come to this tool here. There's this tool here called, this tool here that you're going to use to straighten. For example, you can do this, you can change, you can make it straight like that. But now the problem, you lose some kind of picture. But now this one works well, especially if you're taking a picture maybe in a city where there are tall buildings like this one here. If I just come here, I'll just discard this one. You see this picture here, this building, this lady is here, but this building looks as if they've leaned in one side. So you can either use auto leveling, which will try to, it's saying it cannot straighten it automatically. It looks like the horizontal line is already straightened. But let's say you want to make it more straight manually. Just do like this, maybe like this. Then if you compare here, you see this is before, it is leaning this side, but now you see it looks more straight, as you can see here. Look here, and if you look here, if you compare, you just click at compare. Also, you can use this to see the original. You hold to see the original, and now that is that. Let's put another image. You see how it works. Maybe like this one here. I'll just discard that one there. Yeah, I think this one looks more straight, but let's try to, if you do that, you can flip, you can play around with that. Let's put another building, maybe like this one here. Discard. Let's try auto leveling. You see it has auto leveled at 7.7 angle. You can also flip, you can also rotate. If you feel like, you can rotate the building the way you feel like. Also, you can anti-clockwise the way you feel like here. You can also flip so that it looks the other side. You can also make it, look as if it is up and down. So that's how to flip, straighten pictures in Movavi Photo Editor. See you in the next video.